Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make sayadieh, which means fisherman. Arabian food. It's fish with rice. Let's start. First step, add the oil with the onion. Mix the onion, leave it till I get gold brown color. When I get gold brown color, I add 2 cups of hot water. And add all the spices, mix it well and leave it in the medium fire for 10 minutes. Here we have fillet fish. I need 2 big spoons of lemon with 1 small spoon of salt, 1 small spoon of coriander powder, 1 small spoon of black pepper. I mix it well and marinate with the fish and leave it for 5 minutes because the fish no need long time, and go to another step. In this step I cover the fish with the flour 2 sides and take it to fry. Fry the fish in hot oil for around 5 minutes till get gold color. Take it out. In this step, for cooking the rice, we need 2 big spoons of oil with 2 cups of rice. I mix it well for 20 seconds. For 2 cups of rice, we add 2 cups of fish stock, what we make it. We mix it and we cover, we leave it in the low fire for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our rice is cooking. We add some fried onion. We add the fish. We leave it in the low fire for 5 minutes. Like this, our food will be ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.